What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use Grammarly as a web version. So let's get started. So what you're going to search is just go to your browser and search Grammarly like this, and then just go to this option on your top and it will direct you directly to the Grammarly's website if you have already logged in. And over here you can use anything. You can use my Grammarly. Over here you can go to new and do all the documents, citation and all. Over here you can have the account section where you can go and change the language or anything. Over here you can also have the apps that you can link your Grammarly to. So Grammarly for Windows, Grammarly for Chrome, Grammarly for iPhone and iPad as well. You can install it, you can activate it from here. You can also go with this premium account, premium option, where you can buy premium plans, business plans and all. So that's pretty much guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And if you have any queries, just comment down below. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.